Changing your Lomi fan is really easy. All you're going to need is a Phillips type screwdriver and your new replacement Lomi fan. You're going to start by making sure Lomi is unplugged from any power source. You're going to take the lid off, put that to the side, as well as your Lomi bucket. Then you're going to take your Lomi and you're going to flip it onto its side. You're going to notice that there's a yellow sticker on the bottom of Lomi. You're going to feel for a gap or a little hole. There will be 2 screws in these. You're going to take your Phillips type screwdriver and go right through the sticker onto the screw. You're going to twist to unscrew the first screw. You're going to do the same thing for the second screw. Find the hole and put your screwdriver through the sticker and twist to unscrew the second screw. You're going to place the first screw with the second one, and then you're going to remove the panel and put that with your screws. You're going to see your fan. You're going to start by pulling out the wires from the Lomi body to give yourself some room. And then you're going to take this tab here and you're going to pull it up to be able to disconnect the 2 wires like this. You're going to just slide out your old fan, put it to the side. You're going to take your new fan and you're going to orient it so that the exhaust is facing the wider part of the space and the hollow part of the fan is going to be against the grate. You'll also notice that there's 2 guide pins, one here and one here, which will align with the holes on the sides of the fan. We're going to go ahead and slide that one in. You just gently push down to make sure the fan is secure. Then you're going to reconnect the fan with the Lomi body. So you're going to slide the male part of the wires into the female end to click into place like this. You want to make sure you tuck the wires onto the sides, and then you're going to take your panel and you're going to place it back on top. The panel should be flush with the bottom of the Lomi to make sure that your fan is being installed properly. And then you're going to take your screws and put them back in. Perfect. You're going to flip your Lomi back right side up. You can put your bucket back in. Then your lid. And plug Lomi back into its power source. And now you're ready to go.